So to unlock the NBA 2024 SGA Fashion Tips quest, players can try a few different methods. For some, the quest naturally appeared as they played games in My Career. The quest could be connected to fans, so do not expect to unlock it until you approach the playoffs or play around 20 games. Other players did not get the SGA Fashion Tips quest until they defeated all 8 bosses at Sunset Park. In fact, some fans even had to defeat the 8 bosses at the point as well to get the quest. If none of these methods work, try to then complete the weekly street ball challenge to unlock the SGA Fashion Tips quest. Now when it comes to the completion of the NBA 2024 SGA Fashion Tips quest, you must talk to SGA in the city. Unlike some of the other side quests in NBA 2024, you will not have to prove yourself on the court afterwards. Simply talk to SGA and earn your free rewards.